Hi, welcome to this video. To create a game design document or GDD with Claude AI, start a structured chat using a senior game designer prompt, define your core loop, and expand it section by section. Now, prepare the prompt. Instruct Claude to act as a senior game designer and ask it to draft a GDD outline covering the concept, player fantasy, core mechanics, and progression, and feed the context, right? Provide Claude with your specific game genre, target platform, and reference inspirations, and review the generated sections and ask targeted follow-up questions to nail down details like economy design, art style, and win or lose conditions, right? So establish the persona and outline, define the core, loop, and mechanics, detail the secondary systems, prompt Claude to add specific rules for progression, user interface layouts, and balancing guidelines, and save these rules in a structured reference format so future prompts stay consistent. So consider liking this video, subscribe it, and what is your game genre or basic idea, and what platform are you targeting? PC, mobile, web? So if you answer those questions, answer it in the comments below. Till next time, see you.